Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete location history from Telegram, follow this quick guide to remove shared location data and maintain your privacy on the messaging platform. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your mobile device and log in to your account. Step 2. Go to the Settings menu by tapping on the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner, then selecting Settings. Step 3. Tap on Privacy and Security to access privacy-related options. Step 4. Look for any location-related settings or data management options within the Privacy and Security section. Step 5. To delete location data from specific chats, open the chat where you shared your location. Step 6. Tap and hold on the location message you want to delete, then select Delete from the menu that appears. Step 7. Choose Delete for Me to remove it from your device only, or Delete for Everyone to remove it from all participants' devices if sent recently. Step 8. To manage live location sharing, go to Privacy and Security and check Live Location Settings to see active sessions. Step 9. Stop any active live location sharing by tapping on the active session and selecting Stop Sharing. Step 10. Review your location permissions in your device settings by going to App Permissions and adjusting Telegram's location access if needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.